Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. Welcome to S SAH-QTV, that is Samuel Awuyemi high quality tech video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube YouTube video thumbnails, and just stay with me as I'm going to show you. But today we are not using Chrome, we are not using our Chrome or our Samsung device to log in. So I'm logging in with my YouTube studio. I'm doing it on my YouTube studio. So for you to update it, because I mistakenly remove it from I mistakenly remove my one of the thumbnails from my YouTube video on Chrome. So I want to do it through YouTube Studio. The first step that I'm going to do here is to log in through my YouTube Studio. You can see here. Then I'm going to content. You can see in this place. You are going to click on content, and we are going to scroll down to find the video that you want to update with the thumbnails. You can see here. You are going to scroll down. You can see this is the video. It doesn't have any thumbnails. Then you are going to click on that. You are going to find the video that you want to update with your thumbnails. And the first method that I noticed, that since the thumbnails was removed, I was unable to get any views. My view was not counting, and this view 287 has been there since yesterday, and today it has not added up at all. So I want to add a new thumbnails again. So I'm going to click the video, and I'm going to click the pencil here, the pencil icon at the top here, and I'm going to select. You can see on the video here, on the video, and the pencil that is on the video, you are going to click it again. You can see, and you are going to click on custom thumbnail, and you are going to select the video. You can see, okay, you are going to select the thumbnails that you want to use, and you are going to click done, and you are going to save it, and it will automatically add into your account. You can see edit saved. Then I want to go and check it on my videos for the proof here. So I'm going to come here and type my name here. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to scroll down videos. I'm going to scroll down. So by this can add up your thumbnails to your video, and I'm going to post another video that is familiar with this, and you are going to check it out. Just check the top of this video. You are going to see the video there, and I'm going to post it, and you are going to, when you click on it, it's going to take you to another video that you are going to watch it, and that video, that is when I'm going to see you. So the video has been saved automatically, but it has not processed fully here. You can see here, when I come here, it hasn't processed fully, so that is why I'm waiting. You can see here. Okay, you can see it has automatically processed finish. You can see here. So that is how you can update your YouTube video thumbnails if it was automatically removed. You can see. Then this is how you can add up a new image to your YouTube video. And I'm going to see you in my next video. My name is Awuyemi Samuel. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in that video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.